This is a weekly reading. So let us see, Aries, how's the guidance for you? So, some of you are looking for some kind of a help to come your way, and you're too focused on who should help you out or where this help can come from. So, keep a very open mind, Aries, that should you be stuck with some problem or you're not able to solve something, it's not necessary that only the people you think can help you will only help you. Even maybe some people you don't know all that well can help you. Maybe some strangers can come around and help you. So don't just ask some limited people or maybe one or two of your best friends or some colleagues you get along well with to help you out should you be in a situation. Just feel free to ask anyone you feel can help you out without really judging their ability or intent to help you. So I'm just saying that there is some kind of a solution you're working on, and you will feel very limited or challenged if you just keep your choices or options very, very close. So you want to make this as a bigger or a broader option to choose from and not just limited to certain people you know or who you believe can help you rather than just asking whoever else can come along and help you out. Also, this is a guidance that sometimes a person may just have too much of a surety where they are going to find a solution or which way to do a certain something or how to approach a certain situation. So the guidance really is don't be so sure, Aries. Be very accepting that maybe if the solution is not coming along or if you were waiting for someone, maybe you were focusing your efforts on the wrong direction. So your life would be easy if some of you just kept a very balanced energy and you did not go about becoming too serious about or very sure about your decisions or overtly being confident that this is the only way to do it. So keep an open mind and then this hangman can find an answer. So otherwise you will feel little stuck that whoever you asked for help or whoever you wanted to probably go out with or travel with has probably said no. So if you're just looking for a company, you should broaden your options and look out for more people who can come along. Or maybe you have not understood certain people all that well. So don't just filter them out very quickly. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Taurus. So in your situation, some of you are going to enter into a long term love relationship. It's quite possible that you were dating this person and now the relationship looks like it's moving to something more strong and long term. There is a need to, so it's quite possible that Taurus, since your situation will be so good this week, that you will be too consumed with all that needs to be done or how well it needs to be done or that how blessed you are and all the love that is coming your way that you may just forget about certain people who helped you along. So you want to make sure that people who helped you along are not forgotten or lost or you did not mention them in your thank you note. So some of you, it's quite possible you are headed for a promotion. You are looking for certain work profile or a work situation to work out. You are going to get all of it. So whatever you are working on is all headed in the right direction. Just that keep the people who helped you out very, very close and let them know how important they are to you. So, some of you should not make the mistake of having forgotten some very important people while thanking. So, maybe you will write some mailer as your farewell because of you getting promoted or moving to a new location or taking up a new role. You don't want to forget certain people's names or totally going blank on their names or recognizing them when your efforts have paid off. So it's a very rewarding week, and some of you are looking to make a proposal. Totally go ahead. This week is going to work out very well for you. So it's a amazingly good week. Whatever you love to do, or if you are in love, it's going to work out very well, and you're headed in a very good long term solidifying situation for yourself. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Gemini. The week will begin with lot of contemplation, lot of thinking that how do I overcome probably an argument you had with someone, how do I handle this argument or a confrontation or maybe simply a difficult situation that showed up. There is going to be a lot of thinking that you're going to do, Gemini, and some of you will feel as if you need to now show little bit of muscle to get the work done and you have tried your politest best. Also, there is a energy that some of you may feel very fed up that despite doing your best, certain problem situation is not getting fixed, certain people are not coming around, and the problem is continuing to be as difficult as it was in the past. So, coming from that energy where you're feeling certain situation is not working out, some of you will feel very pulled that while you are hard at work and a certain situation is not getting done or not getting solved, it is also denying you a lot of family time. So there will be a fair share of worry and headache that you will carry initially. But as I see it, there is a celebration here. So things are going to come around and you will be able to, maybe some of yours not able to travel with your family or take a holiday because of this difficult situation or something that is so important at work that has come up that it needs to be solved ASAP or as soon as possible, and your family is demanding just equal amount of time from you. So this week, as I see it, you will be initially very divided and worked up about how to devote your time between your work life and your personal life, and then it's all looking good because since it is a celebration, it's just telling me you will be able to come to grips with this situation, solve it very well, whether it is by using a bit of force or muscle, you will be able to solve it. And then I see a lot of good family time. So your family is going to be very happy as well that you did take out time after they complained or they kept telling you again and again or maybe over and over that you need to spend time with them. So it's a very beautiful reading. Some of you will have some family visit you this week as well. So you may just have some visitors, or some of you are probably going to attend a wedding or some event or a celebration, maybe even a childbirth this week. So there is an invite which is coming or is on its way for you. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Cancer. So this week you want to keep a very open mind. There may be an opportunity which may show up and may not really appear to be anything big or promising, but should you be willing to take this opportunity up, appreciate the challenges it is bringing on, or just trying something out new purely for the sake of it. I am seeing there is a reward in the waiting, but it will come a bit late or delayed and not just as quickly as you may hope for it. Yeah. So you will be hard at work with this opportunity should you choose to take it up. So it is a very good energy also of trying something new and then seeing how well or how much you can bring to the table. So work wise, some of you may just get asked by your superior or maybe someone if you're working or you're doing business that could you possibly take this up and see what you can do with it. And mostly, if you do say yes, you're going to be hands full working on this project or something new that is given to you. And I do see success, but it is a bit of a delayed success. So it will not come just as quickly. Or maybe if you feel that you have done enough and it's time for recognition and reward, it may just take longer than your expectation, but it is definitely on its way. Also, for some of you in your family life, your wife or your husband, your spouse may feel very neglected or they may feel you're not investing as much time in the family. You see, this person is hard at work to the point that their clothes are torn and they probably have looks like not gone home or spent enough time with their family. And here is the spouse who's all waiting, just hoping to catch up and see how and where to, how things move and plan some family schedules or maybe some picnics or holidays or how to just spend time together. So, some of you may be ignoring your family life this week and you want to correct this energy very quickly because looks like it's a very generous and a loving partner who's feeling little neglected this week because you have just taken up too much of work. So while you may say yes to a certain project or something very challenging, you should also cancer ask for some colleague to join in. Yeah, don't try to do the whole thing all by yourself. Looks like it will take a good deal of toll on you and you may just land up spending all your time either at office or at your work situation. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Leo. Leo, you are feeling, some of you who are married this week, you will feel that you are the only one who's focused on family matters. So your spouse is not paying as much attention or taking on the family responsibilities as he or she should. Because I do see some people fighting here and they are way younger than this person who's looking over or watching over. So this is your energy, Leo, and you seem to be pretty fed up with trying to sort over every conflict or issue that every time shows up, and you are the only one who has to create peace or solve this situation. And your partner is mostly either too busy or not as involved. It could be a situation with a neighbor or maybe the children fighting, or maybe even if some of you are in a team role in your job situation, you are just struggling with some people to get along or just to start to work in a better way. So, some of you would like to take on some guidance or discuss your work situation with your partner, but looks like he or she is not available. Now, it is not just the energy of a partner. Maybe Leo, you feel that someone you are very close to, it could be your brother or sister also, and maybe you're still studying or you're in your college or your masters, whatever program that you're doing, looks like you're not able to really reach out on how to find a solution to a certain conflict or certain people who are just unnecessarily creating some conflict or not getting along. So some of you will feel you're all by yourself every now and then having to deal with certain difficult people or situations, and you're not getting all that support that you should from this loved one or this friend or maybe your spouse. So so when this energy really shows up, as you see, Leo, you are very, very capable of handling this conflict or a situation, yeah? Because this is someone very mature who's well in control of his or her emotions, and they know how to influence people. And here, the people who are not agreeing or the situation which is there is fairly a set of immature or very young people who don't know any better. So you are actually at a very favorable position, or you have an advantage that you can see and understand situation very clearly, and it should be a click of a finger for you to deal and solve the situation. So you shouldn't be overtly be blaming or regretting or feeling bad that your loved one or someone you're close to is not helping you out. As I see it, you're fully capable of doing it all by yourself and very, very quickly. Yeah. So even if this person or this closed member, close family member or loved one was to help you, he or she cannot give you a better advice than what you can figure out for yourself. So you're very capable of handling these situations yourself. Yeah. So this week is very good. You should just feel very empowered and go very charging, seeing as and how situations come and solve them as and how you come across them. Yeah. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Virgo. Some of you coming back from a holiday, and so you've had a good family time. Probably some of you just newly got married, or you probably attended a marriage or some function in your house or in your family, and looks like you're coming from a place of lot of celebration and success, and now you're back to work, and your work situation is going to improve so beautifully that for some of you, Virgo, you will be able to shed your any kind of fear or unnecessary caution that you may be carrying with you. You will be able to shed all of that. You see, here the soldier is in a gear, so he or she is wearing this very metal clothes, and is very well protected should he or she be in some kind of a confrontation. And then there is this horse who's also very well decorated and you know is being very cautious. It's so you're going very careful, you don't want to make any mistakes, and you want to be very prepared should something out of the blue show up. So as I see it, now this soldier has lost all his clothes here. So you are going to be accepted so well for the work you do that your inhibitions will be gone. So this kind of guard which you are wearing, your gear which you are wearing will not be required anymore. You will be free like a child. And this horse is also in a very true nature. So your work is going to get a real touch of who you are. Here I am seeing is that while you started out on the work or you got back to work, some of you will just try to fit in, and then with all the love and support and acceptance that you will get from your employer or your work situation, you are going to totally bring out your personality to work. And I'm also seeing travel. So some of you will just come back from a holiday, get back to work, and then maybe you will start to travel again, either for work or for family reasons. So I'm seeing fair share of travel coming up for you. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Libra. It's a very rewarding week. So some of you will find a solution, or you will creatively go about finding or working around a situation or a challenge in such a beautiful way that it's going to create ultimate success or luxury for you. Some of you are also going to meet a very well to do partner. So I'm seeing that you're already entering a phase of happiness and growth. So some of you who are looking for, probably thinking whether I should go ahead with this person and make things formal or get to know the families. I see that there is a wedding on its way, and maybe in the long term, but I'm just seeing, you see, this is a king with the crown and a throne. It's a solidification of a position. And then here is a person, whatever path they were walking on is being very heavily rewarded. And then I see you standing in a garden or in a situation where you are full of riches and nature and beauty. So some of you who may be at a very good influential position, you will find a very good match for yourself. You will find a very sophisticated, very well mannered, sociable partner for yourself. Some of you, there are new introductions to be made. And financially, I see some kind of wealth coming your way, or maybe if you had loaned some money to someone, that money is coming to you, and maybe this person will not just return your loan but also give you a bit extra for helping them out. Or some of you who have made investments, these investments are looking like were all made in the right direction. So there are a lot of riches and rewards I'm seeing in your cards. It's a very good week and you want to make the most of it. And key to doing everything will be that, Libra, you are very, very flexible. So your flexibility will help you to get to lot of success and riches. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Scorpio. There is the learning on its way. So something you were very sure of, or you thought of, that you are going to crack it or you're going to do it right in a certain way, looks like there is a learning which is on its way. So choose your friends or people you are going to work with very carefully this week. Some of you want to go with lot of trust and assurity that the people you are with are the ones you can actually trust, because I'm seeing certain trust being broken, or someone lying to you, or you landing up in a very unfavorable situation because you did not check out well, or you just let crowd come along rather than some friends joining. So be very careful of who you are hanging out with and who you are letting in your very close circle, or maybe who you are bonding with. But the good part is this journey or this learning is going to take you someplace very deep. I am seeing some kind of an expertise or some very deep learning coming your way. So overall, this experience which may happen to you, maybe there will be some delay and a learning. So whatever the lessons are, they will be learnt very well and to the point that you will feel or find a better way and a deeper way to do things. So I'm seeing energy of an expert or an expertise building up. So some of you, it's quite possible you will acknowledge that maybe there was a certain shortage in the kind of work you did, or you were not able to understand people all that well purely because you lacked knowledge or skill, and you may just take in or enroll yourself from for some kind of a training program. So there is a very beautiful learning which is coming your way, Scorpio. Also, some of you will feel very empowered, very supported in how well you will come out of this situation. So maybe some people would have just drowned and given up. Looks like you will just pull through and you will establish your position as someone who faced and went through this difficult experience to live and tell. So, not something very serious, but I am seeing a certain setback, a certain learning which is coming your way. But it's going to build you, and your position is going to get acknowledged and probably grow in status. So, it's a good energy, a bit of a learning this week, yeah. So, you can negate or make this learning fairly easy by first choosing or filtering people out well. You don't want to accept anybody and everybody who wants to join in or feels like they should be part of a certain project or assignment that you're taking up, or don't just invite, you know, every other person to a party that you may be throwing. It's looking like they will definitely have a nice party and then leave you with a lot of things to deal with. So you want to be very sure who's coming and if they are responsible and trustable to begin with. And overall, I'm just saying that there will be a very nice and a good learning coming your way. Some kind of a perspective that will be developed for you, Scorpio. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Sagittarius. So, Sagittarius, when the going is good, you also want to work on building some very nice social contacts or networking with people. Just because you're successful and things are going in your tide, you don't want to go or do everything all by yourself or go solo purely because you feel so successful or you feel that whatever you touch turns into gold. So this is a bit of a caution over overconfidence or not taking things for granted or being too sure of things, because I'm saying if you're not careful, you will find yourself stuck in a situation for a good deal of time when you could have come out of the situation very easily. You see, this lady is in a conflict situation or almost in kind of a situation where she's tied up or held and bound purely because she went there all by herself. So, had you taken some friends with you, or if you choose to do some project and take some people with you, looks like your situation can be way more easy, yeah. So also some of you who are probably planning a travel, it's a good idea to just ask some friends to come and join you or make some plans with friends, because I'm just seeing that if you are not prepared enough or you should you forget something behind, you will feel very trapped or you will feel your holiday did not go all that well. So should you take your friends with you, more or less they will make up for maybe if you forgot something or you something you did not plan well, a plan B will come up very quickly in that case. So just focus on working with people. That is the theme for this week as I see it. So let us see what is the guidance for you, Capricorn. Whatever you're working on is going to get you the result that you seek. So some of you, if you're working on probably designing some nice itinerary for your travel, looks like it will be a great travel. If some of you are preparing to write a book or you're almost doing some proofreading, looks like it will go through and probably get into the final stages. What I'm saying is that whatever that you're working on, you will be able to get to that or get that success very fairly easy. Now, while whatever you are working at and what you get at is all looking good, I am just seeing that it may just take a toll on you. So sometimes, Capricorn, you should just know how much is too much. You don't want to over be over ambitious and take on more than you can handle, and then find yourself with just too much or too demanding a work or something that just took a toll on your health, or you don't want to go helping people to an extent that you yourself don't have a life anymore. All you probably only do is just help people left, right, and center, and then you're feeling very emotionally drained and spent. So, the guidance is whatever that you want to do, you're going to totally achieve it, you're going to get it. So, maybe if you want to get included in some program and you do put in your application, looks like it will very well be received and accepted, but then you should know what you are getting into, because I do see some amount of stress coming up if you don't prepare well, and if you're not sure of what else can come up or how much more deep the work is than you may have initially thought it to be. So a good set of cards, just take care that you don't overdo it, or you do definitely understand well what you're getting into. Now let us see what is the guidance for you, Aquarius. These are all the cards of outcome, reward, success, getting what you want. So this is a very, very rewarding week. So whatever you ask for, you're going to get it purely because you've been wanting it for such a long time. And then you're going to start on a journey. So I am just saying that for some of you, where certain project was stalled or you were not able to move ahead, your wishes are going to be answered. You're going to get what you've been looking for the longest time, and then you're going to set rolling, or you're going to get going with what needs to be done. So something that was not working out or something you've been wanting for a long time will be put into action this week. So it's a very good week. So this is a wish card. Whatever you've been wanting is all coming to you. And not just, so you see, this person has 9 cups here. So it's like he asked for 1 cup, he got it. He asked for the second cup, he got it. So whatever that you ask for, it's all going to be given to you or granted to you. And this energy tells me that your devotion has been answered, or whatever that you put your heart into is got answered. And now you're going all out to put it to the next level or take it to the next level. So you're now ready to take things forward. So maybe something that was in the waiting. For some of you, maybe you were waiting for some loan to get sanctioned. Maybe for your business, you were waiting for some employees to get hired. or certain location to get decided. Looks like it will happen, or this it will work out in this week, and then you are going to get going to what is the next level and start the work. So very good set of cards. So now let us see what is the guidance for you, Pisces. So one understanding that you should develop this week is how seriously do you take your happiness. So some of you choose to probably exaggerate your disappointments to the point that you may just go into a standstill or a no decision making zone. So you will set out very well, charming people, getting to where you want to go, and then there are rewards which are also coming your way. But as I see it, you are going to feel a little bit disappointed or that people let you down. So, Pisces, if you have put your heart into getting something and then you get rewarded with it, now you should be little bit be accommodative that everything cannot be to the perfection. Maybe it will be handed in a different way. Maybe people will receive you and maybe say in a certain way which you may not like. So you have to remember that you have achieved the end goal, and that in itself should be a reason to celebrate rather than feel that now whatever you asked you have got, but it's not all that good enough or it did not come along all that well, and then focus too much on disappointments and the fact that you don't know what more to do. I'm just saying that some of you should make the decision to be happy rather than decide that what you have got is not good enough or it should have come in a different way. Also, don't reject people too quickly if you're networking or you get introduced. So you should be willing to work with all kinds, yeah. And the good part is there are a lot of people who want to meet you because they're impressed with how you speak, how well you think, and the kind of confidence and action you have in you. So don't overdo your disappointments or unhappiness over certain things, and then this week should look good for you.